Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about decluttering and how not to make decluttering the focus of your day. Decluttering is just 15 minutes 4 times a week or 1 hour on Saturday if you're a full-time employed homemaker outside the home. So what you'll do is have a plan, pick a spot. What you're decluttering is about the size of a banker's box. Do you know what that is? Not a big box, like a half box almost. And you start decluttering into 3 containers: throwaway, which would be a garbage bag; put away, I think a basket is good for that, like a laundry basket; and giveaway, a box where you're putting things in you don't want to keep. When you're done, complete the process by throwing it away, put it in the back of the car, or going and putting it away in your house. That's it. Stop making it the focus of your day and make it a great day.